Every day, your support changes real lives right here at home. Lasting change doesn't happen alone. It happens when we come together. In the Baytown area and Chambers County, United is the way we care for each other.
I didn't really struggle academically, but behavior-wise, I did. I think I had just resentment or things I didn't understand or know how to process about my environment. NCIS was there to make sure that my basic needs were met, first and foremost, safety, stability, food, things like that. And they really empowered me to be able to focus on my academic career.
I didn't have insurance. I was just kind of jumping around from emergency clinics to emergency clinics, just doing what I can to just, band-aid my symptoms. I was starting to get complaints at work, just from having to be away dealing with symptoms. Some of my performance in other areas in the community were starting to suffer. My home life was suffering.
Healthcare is a basic right of individuals. It doesn't matter if your socioeconomic status, your racial background. Everyone should have basic access to affordable and quality healthcare.
We provide integrated student supports in the schools, which allows us to provide resources directly to the students, like food scarcity. It could be basic essentials like hygiene items like clothes. And so we don't have to wait for weeks or days to support a student or provide needs to a student. Because we're there, we're on campus, we've been able to meet that need. We'll reach out to United Way, explain what the circumstances are, and within 24 hours, the need is met.
Funding from United Way allows Coastal Gateway Health Center to have a dedicated eligibility specialist or an eligibility department. And what that means is we have a dedicated staff member who can work one-on-one with patients who come in and help them through the application process for the sliding fee program. Can help navigate them to other social service resources such as transportation, food pantry, food distribution events, and other cancer screening programs that we offer.
I was first introduced to the Communities in Schools program as a 6th grade student at Horace Mann. It's kind of a full circle moment that I am now able to support the students at the very same middle school where I was introduced to Communities in Schools. United Way really supports the Communities in Schools program by making sure that we always have basic need items, whether that's hygiene, soap, shampoo, deodorant, clothing items. And without United Way partnership, the social services part of it wouldn't be possible.
But now actually I can go out and do things with friends. I don't have to worry about, having to stop or leave early.
The saying that it takes a village to raise a child. I like to say that it takes a community to raise up a school.
When you give to United Way,
you know that your money is going back into the community.
You're giving to students. You're giving to a life.
United is the way that we look out for our family and friends and provide opportunities to the community.
United is the way to surround students with a community of support, empowering them to stay in school and achieve in life.
United is the way we provide healthcare access to all.
United is the way that we help families and students not only survive, but thrive.
From classrooms to clinics, stability to success, your support makes a real, lasting difference. United is the way we come together to build a stronger, more resilient community. Together, we are the United Way.